guys, welcome back to Night Shift Nurse Monday. So I just finished shooting a try on haul. I'll show you a video of all this stuff in front of me. But I have so many clothes that I need to shoot try on hauls for, so all this week I'll probably be shooting try on hauls and editing them and trying to get them up this week. But yeah, it is a boring Monday. I don't feel like doing anything before work. I'm doing laundry now. That's pretty much it. I usually try to rest during the weekend, but this weekend I was booked up, so I was just here and there and everywhere. I have a new plant. This is real. This is a snake plant. I had one like a year ago and it passed away, RIP. So I got a new one this weekend. So I just finished shooting a try on haul, so make sure you watch that video. Actually, there's some activewear in that video, and then there's also like a dress for a nice rooftop vibe. I feel like I want to do a nice rooftop. I don't know if I want to do it here or in New York or in DC. Know any places that have nice rooftops, please leave it in the comments and let me know. I don't know what this video is going to be like, because I'm not doing anything. I'm just relaxing, and this is just realistically what's happening. I don't want to like do anything to make it seem like I'm doing all these things on Mondays, because I'm not. Oh, I know what I can add in here. Okay, cool. So I'll just add some clips of what I did this weekend. Just went out to this nice restaurant. It's called Pearl and Mary. Guys, 10 out of 10. The food was so good. Like, I'm definitely going back. And then I also got some content for Instagram. Mom helped me shoot that this weekend, so that was fun. Okay guys, so that was photo shoot. That was some H&M pieces and Zara combined. And then I also got to wear my Loewe heels for the first time, because I got them in the winter time. So now that the weather is breaking, I'm able to break them out and wear them, which I'm so excited. I can't wait to style them more. And so yeah, that's it guys. I'm just going to fold up my clothes, go to the market, and head to work. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.